Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a very easy crochet scarf. You can also do a shawl, you can do a blanket, you can do a baby blanket, and what you do is you chain, you go by threes. So it's 3 plus 3 plus 1. So since I'm going to do a scarf, I'm going to do 21 plus one more chain, which is 22. So this is a number 4. It's Premier Sweet Roll, and it's 245 yards. So I'm going to be using both of these. I'm also using an eye hook. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to chain 22. Remember, it's 3 plus 3 plus 1. So I did 21 chains plus one more is 22. You're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. 1, 2, right here. We're going to single crochet. We're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip one chain. We're going to skip this chain and single crochet in the next. And we're going to single crochet in the next chain. We're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip a chain and single crochet in the next 2 chains. We're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip a chain, single crochet in the next 2 chains. And we're going to repeat this all the way to the end. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet, skip a chain, and then single crochet in the next 2 chains. 1, 2. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip a chain, single crochet in the next 2 chains. 1, 2. Chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. After you do the chain 3, you're gonna skip, because there's 3 chains left. So you're gonna skip this chain. You're gonna single crochet in the second chain, and then you're gonna single crochet one more time in the last chain. Chain 1 and turn. And this is what it should look like. So now that we've done the first row, we're going to work into these loops here, the chain 3 loops. After you chain 1 and turn, you're going to single crochet in the first single crochet. Then you're going to go right into the first loop, the first set of chain 3s. You're going to single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and go right back into that loop and single crochet. Then we're going to move on to the next loop. Single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. And there's no chaining in between the loops. You go straight from one loop to the other. We're going to go to the next loop. Single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. Next loop, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet. Move on to the next loop, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all the way to the end. We're at the last loop. We're going to single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, and then we're going to single crochet. There's a single crochet right here. We're going to single crochet in this last single crochet. We're going to chain 1 and turn. And remember, it's a 1 row repeat. And when you start your new row, don't forget to single crochet in the very first single crochet here. You go to the first loop, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. And you do the same thing in every row. Single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. I'm going to do a few rows for you just so you can see what it looks like. Single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet. Oh, I made that mistake. Oh, remember, you don't chain 3 between the loops. So I just chained 3 here, 1, 2, 3, and I'm single crocheting in the same loop, and then I just moved to the next loop. Remember, there's no chaining in between the loops. You just single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. And we're at the last loop, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. And then you single crochet in the very last single crochet, which is right here. Your very last single crochet is right here. And you're going to single crochet here. Chain 1, turn, and you just repeat the rows. Okay, I'm going to do a few more so you can see what it looks like. I did a few more rows so you can get a better look of what the stitch looks like. I'm very happy with it, and I can't wait to see the finished product of the scarf I'm making. Very easy, it's very quick, and you can use a number 4 or a number 5 weight yarn. So I'll be back to show you the end result. I just completed my last row, and I want to show you how I want to finish it off, because I want it to look just like this end, the other end. So what I decided to do, I'm going to single crochet in the very first single crochet, and I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. I'm going to slip stitch into the first loop, chain 2, 1, 2, oops, 1, 2. Then I'm going to move over to the next loop. I'm just going to go in, pull the yarn all the way through, and chain 2. That's all I'm doing. I'm doing slip stitches and chaining 2. pulling the hook through the loop all the way through, chain 2. That's all I'm doing. See how easy this is? My last loop, pulling the hook and the yarn all the way through, chain 2, and here's my single crochet here. I'm going to single crochet just like I started the other end with a single crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch and pull my remaining yarn all the way through. And that's it. So now this end looks like the other end. How about that? I really enjoyed making this scarf. I made it 60 inches long. You can make it 65 inches, whatever length you want. I did 60. All that's left to do now is to weave in the ends with a large-eyed needle, and you just weave into the stitches so that you could hide the remaining strand of yarn. And that's it. I love it. You'll find that it's very fast to make, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So that's it for now. Until next time, keep crocheting.